scenes, he's a huge pain in the ass. No one really likes him that much. I'm talking about an entitled schlub who takes up 2 parking spaces, eats other people's lunches out of the fridge, and whose addiction to online porn has resulted in 5 lawsuits involving female interns, and there's no way to stop him. So we kill him off, then we can kill someone else on this show who just sits around waiting for his check and who hasn't been mentally present for the last 4 years. And I think there you have... They taught me when we shot these segments, they taught me that's the key to being a zombie, is you lead with your shoulders. Did you know that?